And as I mentioned earlier on, we have some idiot drivers, so you have that in every country. Oh, that looks like a fancy restaurant. Any price lists? No. Right, that's a takeaway that has price lists. So usually when a place doesn't have a price list, it means you don't care about money. You just have loads of it to go in and buy whatever you want. You get these tiny plates with a lot of garnish and a lot of decoration, and then a tiny edible little bit, and it costs you like 20 quid. It's like, dude, where's my food? Like, yeah, do you know what I can get at McDonald's for this kind of money? Yeah. So, like, you don't see many people with masks anymore. Like, you'll see some elderly people at the shopping centres and stuff like that. And me personally, I don't see the harm in it. It's like, if someone wants to wear a mask, let them. You know? Sure, before all this COVID and all, I remember seeing a lot of Asian countries used to wear masks. It was mainly for the pollution and all. Like. So it was a thing before COVID. Artsy kind of stuff. So yeah, we're starting to see a surge in things returning to normal. Like, I was actually in the pub there yesterday, and went in. You know, the bar staff were wearing masks, but everybody else wasn't. And went in, didn't even have to show the COVID cert or anything. Just went in, sat down, had a pint, had a whiskey chaser. Oh, if you're in Ireland, try Redbreast. It's beautiful. It's a whiskey. If you're into your whiskies, it's $7.50 for like I'd like to say a shot, but like I didn't do a shot. Like, had it in a glass with a whiskey. I got a double actually. It's very smooth, very smooth. I love it. It's very beautiful. And if Redbreast are listening, and you want to send me out a crate of your finest, and for me to test it, you know, let me know in the comment below. Actually, let me know in the comment below what your favourite whiskey is. I like to taste a few and, like, you know, mix it up a bit. So at the moment, Redbreast is my current delight, and I do enjoy it. Where are we at? So this is basically it. I've gone up this road and I'm coming back. I started just over there. Beds, blinds, carpets, flooring. There's not really more in the town except for more pubs and restaurants. Yeah, that's mainly it. There should be 2 videos there at least. I'm gonna have a church. I didn't see the church, but then you have your takeaways. Pay the cash in shop, please. Don't know. Usually get these deals, so €10 for a starter main side. But who knows what that is? Probably like a 2-inch personal pizza or something like that. A few more minutes on this video. I'm doing 5-minute block segments videos. And another bar, some clothing shops, pharmacies, barbers, musical arts. Still like lots of parking. Oh yeah, another thing I like about down here, it's like €1 for an hour parking. Dublin city centre is like €4.50 for an hour. Some places like, you know, €2 for like 20 minutes. So like, yeah, what? Be cheaper driving around for an hour waiting. Well, I don't know if that's true now with the prices of fuel now, but yeah, principles. Looks like the back of a bar, the smoking area. It's usually the most hippest spot. So even if you're a non-smoker, go out. It's usually have the most crack is out with smoking areas. I think I'll start walking back towards my car now, because that's probably the end of the video. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what your favourite whiskey is.